Hey everyone, if you're anything like me, you probably watch a lot of YouTube videos and follow a lot of channels. I am always amazed at their laser-like focus on one thing, whether it's photography or graphic design or music or so on, you get the picture. I realized that after 10 years of being an adult, although I thought that I would have my one thing, I really don't. I came out of high school and trained to be a musician, and then I started working for the church doing music, but then I got involved with graphic design and I got a degree in leadership and management and biblical studies, and I thought I would have my one thing, but I just don't. And so this channel is not going to be about one thing. I can't do that, it's not in my nature. But I am passionate about learning and teaching the things that I'm learning to help other people. I want this channel to be an area where people can grow and see my life. I'm going to share videos of my incredible wife Shareya. I'm going to share travel videos. I'm going to share graphic design tutorials, music tutorials, lessons I'm learning about leadership, and a few videos about church stuff, because that's my passion. So if you're interested in that, I would love it if you could subscribe. Otherwise, you're going to have to follow someone who dresses cooler than me, who makes videos with better backdrops than me. But I would love for you to go on this journey with me as I learn, and hopefully you learn along with me, and yeah, as you get to share my life. That's it. See you in the next video.